Then it's highlighting the Wild Atlantic Way, Ireland's Ancient East and the hidden heartlands. But equally it's promoting everything that's good about Cork and every experience that's good about Cork. And I'm looking around the room with a lot of stars in those videos and the hard work that went into it. But not alone just the hard work that went into it, I suppose a lot of people, including the likes of Gillian, had to bring their families as part of it as well and get their families for a whole summer involved in it. And there were so many outfit changes, I think Gillian had a lot of them. So, but again, it's just to save money and not having to have to pay actors basically to be in these videos. But a lot of work went into them. This was a seed idea, I think, down in Guggenbarra with Josephine and ourselves I'd say it was 18 months ago. And to bring it to life has taken 18 months, but it's been a massive collaboration. I don't even want to use the word challenge would be so wrong. It was so good to be involved in it, and I think it woke us all up in it, and it gets you to see what's really out there on our doorstep. So from that point of view, I think it was fantastic. So talking about the campaign itself, as I said, it was broken into 3 different experience brands: the Wild Atlantic Way, Ireland's Ancient East, and the Hidden Heartlands. The Wild Atlantic Way is the most sexiest one of them that everybody wants to see, and I think if anyone saw Nationwide last week in the work that was done down in Cork-Cherry, and the use of those videos again was great. But the assets themselves are being used across the world. I was in Canada a few weeks ago, and to walk into the Irish Embassy in Canada and to see the video playing was fantastic, and they're using a lot of the imagery. Derry Coleman, I just saw his coach outside here this morning, was in Chicago last week, and he said the same thing. When they came to us and they said, could you give us a bit of a hand in it, because they didn't know enough about organising the conference. Not that we'd be fantastic experts at it either, but one of the reasons we said that we would do it is if they showcased the culture and experience, and the culture and the food experience, and we've done this over the last 3 days in absolutely buckets and spades, because the quality of the food has been phenomenal, the freshness of the food, and we were able to tell a story how far it travelled. And then the culture as well, we brought in some fantastic culture that's available in Cork throughout it. But a big part of this was even to go into County Hall yesterday and see the video being played. It's fantastic. They are sick to death of seeing the videos being played at different levels over the last 3 days. But because the content is there and we've used it to the best of our advantage. But all